welcome to an edition of Canvas Can. Today, Monkey Boy is...
Gonna rebuild something from my car, my remote control car.
We're going to rebuild the steering servo for the remote control car that has seen better days. Well, let me rephrase that. I swapped out this steering servo last night and didn't pay attention to what I was doing, and I broke it. Anyways, I rebuilt one last night. Didn't get a video because it was late and didn't really want to mess with it. Anyways, today, as I was rebuilding it, Monkey Boy was looking over my shoulders. So today, we're going to change seats, and Monkey Boy is going to rebuild this one. So, without any further ado, Monkey Boy, you don't have your PP shop or in the office today. As you can see, there's the Jeep picture right there. That's a picture that Mama got me. It's an old World War II airplane. It's kind of an airplane nut. So, anyways, you ready, Monkey?
Sure, I can put my glove on. If I can put my glove on, yeah.
And don't forget, we have Iron Groot. He was. That's okay. So, here's your directions. These are the directions you're going to follow. Okay?
Okay.
Do the Tukey dance. Hand me the paper towel, please.
Here's your paper towel.
So there we go. And we just saved ourselves how much?
Probably like $49.
$49.99. That's how much the new servo is. You can get the replacement kit for about $4.99 at your local hobby shop. If you have a Traxxas 275 steering box and a Traxxas Slash XL, you will need a 272 or 2072 gear kit. I'll leave a link in the description down here where you can get it off of Amazon. Or if you have your local hobby shop, I highly recommend that you support your local hobby shop. Oh, Monkey Boy, can't see Monkey Boy. Sit up. Alright. Well, there you go, folks. Like I said, if Canvas can do it, you can do it. What's the worst? You gotta take it to the shop.
And get it fixed.
Anyways, we just spent the last, looks like about 12 minutes rebuilding this transfer case. You get Rebuilding this steering servo for Monkey Boy Slash XL. If you can, drop a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down if you don't. Leave a comment on what you've got going on. What have you done with your son or daughter today? Thank you all for being here with us. And without any further ado, Monkey Boy, what do you got to say?
Rate, comment, subscribe.
Don't tell me, you gotta tell them.
Rate, comment, subscribe. Leave a like or a dislike.
How many viewers are we at?
I don't know.
108.
I thought that was subscribers.
We are?
We have 108 subscribers.
So we're just slowly building this channel one video at a time. So anyways, y'all have a blessed evening, and we'll see you on the next video.